Hello everyone, welcome to our classroom. Today you'll learn about basic of HTML5. What is HTML? HTML is the standard markup language used for creating web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The HTML describes the structure of your web page. In its use, HTML consists of many elements that will tell the browser how to display the content. Here is an example of a simple HTML document. And here is how the code will display in a browser. Here is the explained of the example. Doctype HTML is declaration to find that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root of an HTML document. The head element contains some meta information of your HTML document. As the name suggests, the title element is the title of your HTML document. The body element defines the document's body. Place your visible content in this element, such as headings, paragraphs, images, links, tables, etc. The H1 element defines a heading, and the P element is a paragraph. How about the elements? What is an HTML element? The HTML element is everything from the open tag to the closing tag. See this image illustration. Before we start to learn HTML5, you should have a code editor first. Let's get acquainted with a code editor. I have some code editor recommendations here. Please install one of these editors on your computer. You can also use the text edit on your Mac or Notepad on Windows if you can't install these for now. First, let's start with Notepad. If you are a Mac user, use the text edit. Open your Notepad. For now, let's start with a simple HTML document. Use the example shown at the beginning of this video. Just follow and write the code shown in this tutorial. Don't forget to declare the doc type. Give the title as do you want. The title not shown on your page, but that will display on the browser tab. It is because the head element is an element that only used to place some meta information. In this case, a title is also one of the meta information. Now for the body element, we'll add a heading and a paragraph. All contained in this body element is what will display by the browser. However, you can still set what content you want to show or hide. You'll learn about that in the next chapter. Okay, now save your HTML page. Select File, and then Save As. Set the encoding to UTF-8, which is the preferred encoding for HTML files. Name the file with HTML or HTML extension. There is no difference. It's up to you. Now open saved HTML file in your browser. The HTML file will display by the browser like this. Now, let's try to make a simple HTML page by using a professional code editor. Here I use the Visual Studio Code. The professional code editor is so helpful. There's no difference with the code writing, but the function of the professional code editor is made especially for programming language. You can follow this part or no because this example is the same as the example before. Okay, that's a little tutorial of the basic HTML5. Subscribe and turn on your notification of this channel if you want to learn more about the basic HTML5 tutorial. I'll make another video of this HTML5 tutorial as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.